This is the Honeycomb Rocks Trail off the Highland Scenic Highway in the Monongahela National Forest. This very remote trail is super easy and had ADA parking spots, but it was steep at the very beginning. It's not a long hike before you start seeing the namesake formations everywhere with informational signage right next to them. The biggest thing that stood out was the absolute silence and stillness. It's so remote up this wildflower-lined highway, and then it's just a short trek to see some geology. See the links below for the natural-born hikers right up on the trail, a Wikipedia page about honeycomb weathering, and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.